Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
And a good example of that, even during a season where the activity is very low, one of the worst hurricanes to strike the United States occurred during a season where there weren't many hurricanes at all. Hurricane Andrew in Florida back in 1992. So yes, it only takes one, and we'll keep an eye on the situation. Hurricane season usually peaks around here by August and September, and actually have a storm now, kind of defying the climatological odds here. Bonnie trying to form off the southeast coast of the United States. I'm going to show you that in just a second. Locally, we're doing fine. If you're heading out this evening, and I know a lot of people are, for the most part, it's okay, even though I'm tracking a few isolated storms. One near Springfield, it's a pretty healthy one right now, and another towards southwest Connecticut. These should gradually weaken with time over the next roughly 2 to 3 hours. We'll watch north and west of Providence around 7, 8 o'clock this evening, though I do anticipate most of this to be winding down. So kind of a warm and dry night. Live pictures from Oakland Beach in Warwick right now with blue skies. Temperatures inland still in the 80s. It is gorgeous down in Newport. The sea breeze has cooled things off back into the upper 60s to lower 70s, but still beautiful, while inland spots like Coventry still holding on to a temperature of around 81, while westerly is 10 degrees cooler, but very nice with sunshine coming in now at 71 degrees. Here's the satellite and radar composite. Outside of these isolated pop-up thunderstorms in nearby Connecticut and Massachusetts, most of New England is quiet. Hurricane season, as mentioned, begins next week, and already a tropical depression off the southeast coast of the U.S. to become Tropical Storm Bonnie, impacting the Carolina coastline over the holiday weekend. We're not concerned about getting a tropical storm from this, but unfortunately, and we talked about this last night, some of this remnant moisture is going to try to bend back up the coastline by later Sunday night and into the holiday itself on Monday. So still keeping some showers, perhaps even some downpours, unfortunately, for Memorial Day Monday. Meantime, for this evening, it's fairly quiet. The watch late at night, especially near the coastline, for some patchy fog. Tomorrow morning, we're looking at a sunny start, or a cloudy start rather, early morning clouds and fog, then burning off to some sunshine. Temperatures warming up rapidly, easily getting up to about 75 degrees by mid to late morning, and getting even warmer during the afternoon. Mostly sunny along the shoreline tomorrow. Decent beach day. Temperatures will cool back into the upper 60s to low 70s late in the day, but look at this. The heat is on. Inland spots away from any ocean influence, mid and upper 80s. When you get that kind of a heat and humidity, sometimes you run the risk of an isolated thunderstorm, though at this point the chances tomorrow afternoon are actually pretty small. Inland spots in Massachusetts, mid and upper 80s. Coastal Mass will be in the 70s. 7-day Futurecast. It was a decent beach day today, and it looks that way for tomorrow as well. Once we get rid of some of the early morning clouds and fog, burning off the sunshine, air temperature around 70. Water temperature's been inching up now. It's in the upper 50s to low 60s. Most of Sunday is warm, not as warm as Saturday, but we'll get up to 80 before it cools off late in the day with a mix of clouds and sunshine. And then watching later Sunday night into the holiday Monday, humid, 75 degrees, scattered showers, could be some locally heavy downpours and some of that tropical moisture, unfortunately, with temperatures cooler in the mid-70s. But a real blast of summer for tomorrow afternoon away from the coastline. May get close to 90 in some spots.
I haven't worn shorts yet, so I think this is my opportunity tomorrow.
When that happens, it's officially the summer season?
Yeah, that's it. It's marked on the calendar right there. All right, thanks, Tony.